Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of CAP Explained. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how you can create a free BTP trial account that you can use to develop and learn developing in CAP or do anything else in BTP. So first go to the trial home BTP cockpit, and the link will be down here in the description, and choose the region you are from, either Singapore or US East, which I'm gonna choose in my case, and just click on create account. Of course, you're gonna need to be logged into your SAP account. If you haven't created such one, you can create it in a short time. After you do so, you're gonna be able to create this personal trial account, and when you create it, it's gonna be valid for I believe 90 days, but every 30 days you're gonna need to renew the license. After 90 days, the trial account will be deleted and all of your project will be deleted. So if you don't want to lose any progress, you should save your code to GitHub or any other Git account, and you need to remember to every 30 days to at least log in, so that SAP sees that your account is somehow valid, somehow used. If you won't use it after 30 days, it's going to be deleted after 30 days. But after 90 days, of course, if the trial account is going to run out, you won't be able to access your account anymore. You can just easily create a new personal trial account, as I am doing in this case, because mine has just run out. So you can see that it's gonna be created in just a second. It's creating the global account, the SAP account, organization space, something probably someone in your basis team would do. And as you can see, everything is finished. And if I press on continue, I can just click on go to the trial account and access the Business Application Studio and any other tools that are available. As you can see here in the upper right corner, you can actually see it, it says 30 days, and it says that it's valid for 90 days. And from here on, I'm on my global account, and then you can go to the SAP account. It's called trial, of course, and in the trial account you can access any of the free to use services, any of the applications. And as default, and if you go to instances and subscriptions, you're gonna see that SAP Business Application Studio is available for you to start developing. And if you open it, it's gonna open the dev space manager, but I believe it's first gonna take you to the SAP build work zone this time. Oh, it's actually taking you directly to the dev space manager. So yeah, here you can just start and develop your applications, anyone which you want. But of course, for me, what's interesting me is the full stack cloud applications. And from here on, I could start create this dev space and start developing. So that's very simple and easy and free. So you should use it if SAP's giving us the access. It's very simple, guys. Just follow the link down below, and if you learned something new, please subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you in the next episode.